Nature's Garden Easter Bunny Burps Fragrance Oil. This fragrance was designed to encompass the feeling of Easter time, with the lifestyle of the Easter Bunny in mind. This vibrant blend of shimmering garden greens is highlighted with a hint of mint for a fresh sensation. A blend of spring flowers is tucked away among the green tones for added texture, while sandalwood creates glowing warmth for the blend. Hints of musk finish the fragrance. A Nature's Garden original fragrance. This combination is sure to have Peter Cottontail hopping down the bunny trail. Our customers create playful products with this fragrance oil, including delightful decorative candles, merry homemade soaps, blissful bath and body products, and joyous room scents. Check out our free recipes and classes at naturesgardencandles.com. Nature's Garden, your fragrance oil leader.